Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Bosch refrigerator E2 error code in 2026. Now, in order to fix it before replacing any of the parts, you need to check whether your refrigerator is still cooling properly. Here you can look for the signs such as warm fridge compartment, inconsistent temperatures, overcooling or fluctuating display readings. These symptoms help confirm whether the sensor is actively affecting cooling. Now, if temperatures seem unstable, the E2 error code is likely sensor related. So after doing this, you need to perform a full reset as well. So in order to reset it, first of all, you can either look for the reset button on your refrigerator, then you can press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds and then release it in order to restart it. Or what you can do is you can unplug the refrigerator and then wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you just have to simply restore the power and look for the monitor to display. So if after doing the reset the issue is disappears, it means that a control board glitch may have been the cause. Now the E2 error code most commonly points to a faulty thermostat. So you need to look for the loose wiring or any kind of corrosion, sensor damage or disconnected harness. A failed thermistor can send the incorrect temperature data, causing the improper cooling cycle. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Bosch refrigerator is E2 error is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.